Well friends, here is the problem number 26 and the given question is 33, 44, 76, 23, 54, 66, 43, missing number 86 and 13, 34, 56. Friends, this missing number can be obtained by using these two numbers or using these three numbers. When you observe the given question carefully and when you observe the first column carefully, what I can observe is the sum of 33 and 23 is same as the sum of 43 and 13. This is what looks like. Consider that sum of 33 and 23. What will get? 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is what? 56. Now consider 43 and 13. 43, sum of 43 and 13. See friends, 3 is 6 again. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the sum of these two numbers is equal to sum of these two numbers. Let me check the same logic for this column also. The sum of 76 and 66 should be equal to what? Sum of 86 and 56. Sum of 86 and 56. 6, 6, 12. Carry 1. 6, 7 is what? 13. 31 is what? 14. 142. That should be equal to what? The sum of 86 and 56. I can see 6 and 6 is 12. Carry 1. 5 plus 8. What is that? 13. 13 plus 1 is what? 142. Well friends, again the sum of these two numbers is equal to sum of these two numbers. And in the same logic, I will get the missing number. This missing number I will call it as x. Let me consider that as x. Now what is the condition? Sum of 44 and 54 should be equal to what? Sum of x and 34. Where x is what? I need to find out that. X and 34. Well friends, you add first these two numbers. What do I get? 4 plus 4 is what? 8. 5 plus 4 is what? 9. 98 is equal to x plus 34. I need to get value of x. For that what I will do? I will just send this 34 to LHS. When I do that, plus 34 becomes what? Minus 34. 98 minus 34 is equal to x. What do I get? What do I get? 98 minus 34. What do I get? Yes, I will get it as 64. X value I am getting it as 64. Now you can cross check. You can cross check. X value is what? 64. Now 44 plus 54. What do I get? See. 44 plus 54 is what? 98. Now 64 plus 34. Again I should get 98. This x is what? 64 plus 34, which is nothing but 98. So 98 and 98. So the missing number I am getting it as 64. Now let us check the given options. The first option is 94, the second is 84, third is 74, whereas fourth is what? 64, which matches with our result exactly. Therefore, option 4th will be the right option. Well friends, we will see some more number of problems.